If there is something standing in your way, and it's not your enemy, not your past, not even your circumstances, it's always been you. The choice you make, the thoughts you dwell on, the habits you build, they all speak into your life louder than any outside voice ever will. Every day, you wake up to make a tough decision, a battle between who you are now and who you are capable of becoming, between comfort and growth, between excuses and discipline, between short-term pleasure and long-term peace. No one sees it, but it's true because your future isn't shaped in the spotlight, it is formed in the shadows. When you choose to say yes to the right things and no to the enticing traps. Every choice you make is a quiet investment in your future. It either builds you or breaks you. In the morning when you snooze, don't you think you train your mind to delay your purpose? You think skipping a small task doesn't matter, but small things repeated create your habit, and habit becomes your life. But the good news is, one decision, just one, can shift everything. One moment of courage can rewrite a story. One habit done consistently can reshape your future. The power to become best version of yourself isn't out there, it's already within you. Forget about impressing others. Be someone your future self will thank, not perfection. Just a little more discipline, a little more intention, a little more commitment to growth than yesterday. You don't have to move mountain today. Just take next step and take it seriously. So, ask yourself daily, am I feeding the weak version of me or the strong one? Am I building a future I'll be proud of or making excuses I regret? In the end, your journey is not about competition. It's always been you versus you.